Okay, so I have been getting quite a few requests. I don't have my tripod, so work with me here. All right, I've been getting quite a few requests about, for one, sticking with needle placement, tubes, and I also got one last night in regards to urine. So we're going to go over all of that today. I have my nephew here with me who's going to help me out with show you with the sticking part. He's going to be my test dummy, and so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so right here in front of me, first we're going to set the needles to the side. So when you get ready to go and draw a patient, of course, you're going to have the station set up, and of course you will, according to what your order is, know what test it is that you have to draw. Now, someone had, like I said, approached me before about as far as the tubes and the order of draw. I've done that before, but I would do it again. The first thing that you would draw. All right, so we're going to do this as if we don't have an order in front of us. I'm just going to go down the basic order of draw. The first thing it is that you would draw would be your blood cultures if you had any of those. The next thing that you would draw would be your sodium citrate tubes, which is going to be your light blue tubes. The next thing that you would draw would be your serum separator tubes, your clot activator tubes, which can be a tiger top or a gold top. There is no difference in these two other than the volume. Both of them have the gel at the bottom, which separates the blood from the serum, which actually is going to be tested as the serum. The only difference is the volume. This one can hold more blood in it versus this one, which means you can run more tests in this one than you could this one. Only difference. And some of these are taller. I just happen to have the little short ones. This also falls in the serum family. This is a red top. As you can see, it has no activator in it. This is typically used for some drug levels. This is typically used, like I said, for some drug levels, and also it's been times where I've ran out of SSTs and tigers, and I can, maybe if I was drawing a BMP, I can draw it in this, spin it down, pipe it off. Okay? The next thing is going to be your heparin tubes. You have lithium heparin and sodium heparin. Some hospitals have actually replaced using the gold and tiger tops with using these. They're also called plasma separator tubes because it has a gel at the bottom as well. So some chemistry tests, depending on which laboratory you use, can be done inside of these. And then you have your lithium heparin. I usually mainly use these for ammonia levels for the Stat Hospital here in Chesapeake, Virginia. So this would be your next, your heparin tubes. Then it would be your EDTA tubes. So your purple contains EDTA, your pink contains EDTA, your royal blue contains EDTA. And the next one would be your sodium fluoride tube, which is going to be your